Hey guys, I made a video a little bit earlier about how to start improvising using just white notes on the piano. We talked about that a little bit in the previous video. I have a furry guy down here, that's why I'm reaching down here. And so I want to just introduce you to, if you want to get a little more fancy than that, I'm going to introduce you to starting off with the blues scale. Of course, in the description there will be links to a handout on this subject, but the blues scale in C is C, E flat, F, F sharp or G flat, G, and B flat. Okay? And to start off using this scale, you can just hold down a C or an octave C, which is the note that's to the left, two black keys this time, and then try experimenting with those notes in any combination. Some of them are going to probably sound a little weird to you if you're not used to the sound, especially that one. Okay, so that will get you started right there. If you want to get a little more fancy, you can also use the note F as a bass, or the note G. Okay, so C, E flat, F, G flat, G, B flat, and then of course C, and anywhere on the keyboard. Alright, have fun and don't be afraid to try it.